Welcome to all BSc third year students in online class of Fishery Science paper 13. Up to in this lecture we have studied the aquaculture techniques. Among this aquaculture technique, culture of major carps, then culture of air breathing fishes, culture of milk fish, and culture of sea bass. All these aquaculture technique, culture fishes which we have studied in this class. Then another important aquaculture technique, aquaculture animal, that is culture of crab or crab culture in India. It is a most important, highly prospective, most nutritious and maximum demanded animal which is to be cultured, which is to be growing in Indian waters, that may be fresh water as well as that may be marine water, that is culture of crabs or crab culture in India. Most important non-fish organisms, because it is non-fish organisms, it is the crab animal, that is this crab. These are to be your study, we have seen in this chapter, in this lecture, crab culture or culture of crabs. See the figure observed in front of you, that figure is the crab. When we have observed, when we have seen this animal, it is a cosmopolitan, found everywhere, in brooks, in creeks, in channels, in rivers, rivulets, or in tributaries. This animal, these are to be found, these are to be observed, and we have frightened to observe, to see. That is the crabs. Scylla seriata, or it is called as the mud crab. Scylla seriata, or the mud crab, which is to be observed, which is to be seen in general, in occasionally. This is another figure, crab, that is Scylla seriata. When it is to be small, found in muddy areas, mud place, then it is to be observed in sometime blackish and observed, seen in this fashion. When it is to be walking on or creeping on mud or woods, then which is to be observed Scylla seriata, most important non-fish organism. The first point of this animal, introduction. What is the introduction of crab culture? Crab is a decapod crustaceans. Crab is a decapod crustaceans. Decapod, deca means 10-footed animals. Crab is a decapod crustaceans. A number of species of crab have been considered for aquaculture due to their high prices in the market. This decapod, a number of species of crab have been considered for aquaculture due to their high prices in the market. A great demand for edible crab in India and other countries. A great demand for edible crabs in India and other countries. The culture techniques for adult crab in large scale are lacking. Culture techniques in India, techniques for the adult crab on large scale in our country, in our India, these are to be lacking. As compared to other countries, the crab culture in India is very poor. As compared to other countries, as compared to the foreign countries, crab culture in India, in our country, these are to be very poor. Means in our India, crab culture, it is to be negligible, very less amount of crab, these are to be cultured, very low quality as well as very low quantity of crab, these are to be cultured in Indian regions, Indian waters. The important culturable crabs are the mud crab, that is Scylla seriata. The important culturable crabs are the mud crab. It is also called as, scientific name of the mud crab is Scylla seriata, and Scylla oceanica. These two species of these crab, these are to be cultured, these are to be grow in Indian region, Indian waters, but it is to be very less quantity, very poor in quantity. The green crab are common edible crab and found more on the east coast of the India. The green crab are common edible crabs. Green crab are the common edible crabs and found more on the east coast of India. On east coast, this crab, these are to be found, these are to be occur on large scale. The blue crab is commonly found in North America, and blue crab is to be commonly found in North America. These crab, these are to be found, these are to be occur. These crabs are Cancer magister, that is, it is to be called as dung-nest crab, means among these animals useful for to cure the cancer. It is to be useful for the cure the cancer. Hence, this crab is called as Cancer magister. Among these crab, mud crab or Scylla seriata is most economical and commonly cultured in many countries. This animal crab, these are to be Cancer magister, dung-nest crab, and this crab, among these crab, mud crab or the Scylla seriata, these are to be cultured, these are to be growing on most economical and commonly cultured in many countries, because we have observed, we have seen in a different, especially in tobacco or whenever we are achieving the tobacco or such different materials, on these materials a statutory warning, these are to be given. Chewing of tobacco is injurious to the health, it is to be ultimately lead into the cancer, and symbol of this crab, these are to be observed, these are to be seen, means crab symbol is to be nothing but the Cancer magister, to be cut down the body parts, cut down the body organs, and ultimately animal becomes die, it is to be dead. Hence it is to be called as a Cancer magister, that is the crabs, and hence it is to be used, hence it is to be most economically important, most useful animal. Mud crab or the Scylla seriata. Mud crabs are commonly found in the subtidal and intertidal regions of the estuarine. Where this mud crab or the Scylla seriata, these are to be observed found. Mud crabs are commonly found in the subtidal and intertidal regions of the estuarine and mangroves area and creeks of the east coast and west coast of India. Where it is to be found, where it is to be occur, it is to be occur in the subtidal and intertidal region of estuarine. It is also found in mangroves areas. It is also found in creeks of the east and west coast of India. Scylla seriata prefers to live in low saline waters. Where Scylla seriata mud crab, these are to be prefer, it is to be prefer to live in low saline waters and occurs in deep burrows. It is to be occurs in deep burrows dug in the mud, means it is to be live, it is to be hide under the caves, hide under the small dug, and it is to be hiding, and whenever favorable condition, these are to be occur, these are to be come out of these holes, these dug. Hence Scylla seriata prefers to live in low saline waters and occurs in deep burrows dug in the muds. Then what is the classification of this mud crab or the Scylla seriata? Classification, which is to be important. Phylum Arthropoda, it is the invertebrate animal, invertebrate. Phylum Arthropoda, arthro means jointed, poda means foot, arthropoda jointed footed animals. Class Crustacea, calcareous hard covering is present on the body, which is to be useful for offense and defense, hence it is called as Crustacea. Subclass Malacrustacea, subclass Malacrustacea, order Decapoda, Deca 10-footed animal, genus Scylla, and species, that is Scylla seriata. That is, what is the classification? It is the non-fish organisms, invertebrate phylum Arthropoda, class Crustacea, subclass Malacrustacea, order Decapoda, genus Scylla, and species Scylla seriata. The next point, general characters of the crab, general characters of the Scylla seriata. What is the general characters of the Scylla serrata or the mud crab? Few are the general characters which is to be you have seen, we have studied here. General characters of the Scylla serrata. First character, it is commonly called as rock crab or true crab. Scylla serrata is commonly called as rock crab or true crab. It is marine, having cosmopolitan in distribution. It is marine in habitat. It is found in marine, that is seas and oceans, and it is having cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan, found everywhere. It is also found in marine water. Some crab species, these are also found in freshwater rivers, reservoirs, tributaries, lakes and ponds. Even in our low-lying areas where water these are to be stored and where the land is to be a seepage land, where easily digging these are to be done, easily digging these are to be found. In that area, the holes these are to be created by these crabs, and under these holes, these crabs these are to be found, these are to be occur. Hence, it is marine having cosmopolitan in distribution. It is also found in east as well as west coast of India. It is also found east coast and west coast of India. It is also good more demanded culturable food animals. It is also good more demanded culturable food animals. It is food animal, these are to be observed, these are to be seen. These crabs are medicinal values as Cancer magister. These crabs are medicinal values as Cancer magister. These are to be seen, these are to be occurred. Yes.